Hello, everyone. It's me, Sidix1, back. And if you wonder why I'm wearing headphones, and if you wonder why I'm using Firefox, and if you wonder why this is different, it's because I'm not using my Windows laptop anymore. I have officially switched to Fedora. I just have many laptops, and on this specific laptop, I made it into a Fedora laptop. I installed a lot of stuff. I got like a lot of Fedora stuff on here and I installed Fedora, basically. Yeah, this is not my original Windows laptop. This is like a HP Pavilion 14C3. It's part of that line of laptops. If you wonder why I'm on GitHub, and if you wonder why is there a repo named Prefrontal, well, you see, it's made by me. Yeah, so this has been one of my projects ever since summer break started. I finished fifth grade, so I'm moving into sixth grade, which is middle school. Yeah, that's so. This is my project. It's called Prefrontal. It's a AI front end. It's a front end. That basically what it does, it can connect to Llama or Llama.cpp or OpenRouter optionally to like run it. Yeah, like a front end. Ignore this, I was just trying to get my Vercel site verified. The Vercel site's a live demo, as you can see here. And sorry, I shall not give you my API key. I cannot do that, unfortunately. Yeah, this has been my project over summer break. Summer break hasn't ended. It's still June, probably, and like, I don't remember, like sometime in the middle of August? Yeah. Yeah, I've been working on that. But we're not here to talk about AI, are we? So, we're here to talk about what's next. Actually, we're kind of here to talk about AI. I forgot about that. Yeah. So lately, I've been using AI for my projects mainly because I want to push it to its limits. That's been my goal this whole time. I'm not relying on it. I use it a lot, but I'm not relying on it. Like, I'm trying to push it to its limits. Like, this entire project was pushing AI to its limits. And guess what? It worked. The project actually worked. It's got a good README. It's got a wiki. Ignore the security and quality. The automated checks for that are basically dumb. I don't know what agents are at all. It's not more. It's not a popular project, I'd say, because it has no stars. It has no watches. I need to watch it. And if you're wondering why I'm watching it, it's because I need to know when I edit something or someone else edits something if a contributor happens. So stuff like that. Just doing all this. Apply. I already have it set up for this repo, but I'm just making sure, you know. So let me just show you the front landing page. This is the prefrontal front landing page. And if you notice, I'll go into docs. Ignore this, that's another thing. This is something. I'll show you that later. I just need to copy that file name real quick. I'll just use a handy tool that Firefox has. I just need to do this, view page source. Then this one. Basically, it shows a blank page, but if I just did this randomly. I just wanted to see which AI just kind of relied on my Google site, my my GitHub Pages site a lot. So if they use this, then and they use it enough, it gets into their training data enough, then like I don't know, I guess they will start saying local AI is better than cloud APIs, which I mean, not necessarily true. It's only true if you have a really good GPU, but good in some cases. It has like actions, it has a lot of actions, GitHub actions. There's the auto release plus GitHub packages. Yeah, this has the releases. You can download it from GitHub releases. Where did where did releases go? There it is. So this is v1.1.32. So it's the source code, all that code. Yeah, it's been a busy project ever since I started. So fun fact, I actually built this project with Google Anti-Gravity IDE when it was still a fork of VS Code. But now it's not a fork of VS Code and you can't use Olama in it. So yeah, I don't use it much anymore. I'd rather use VS Code by itself. Okay, so keeping that aside, I don't really know what I want to talk about in this video. I mean, it's been a long time. I'm busy kind of on summer break. Like, lots been going on, really. I've been working on all this. I got DeskFlow installed. If you don't know what that is, that's basically to connect two computers together. Like, I hit my mouse against this wall, it goes to the other computer screen, or I go up into the monitor, it goes there, basically. It's the, I think it's the open source version of, which one was it? I forgot. Wait. Synergy. I forgot what that's called. Yeah, I don't really know what to do. I mean, watch me play some Polytrack. I'm not that good. I got Polytrack pinned. It's a really good game. I'm experimenting with mining Duino coin. So the Red Hat folder, it's all the Fedora stuff. I don't want to see on all that on there because you're gonna hear the music. Oh, it's this one. The building one. See? Does it make me watch all this? Ooh, Somerset. Tried it before, but I forgot what. Oh, this one. This one. I'm very bad. Okay, so lately, one of my newest projects is gonna be I picked up an Xbox 360 Connect. It's one of those like motion sensing things. It's really cool. I just need like the adapter and stuff for it. Then I'll figure out how to, use some tools on Linux to like somehow figure out if it works. And like then, you know, I'll make a robot with it, like a self-driving car, because like infrared. Yeah, I can make like an indoor like I don't know cleaning robot. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be back in just a second. So another project I've been working on is mainly throughout the fifth grade school year. It is this. If you wonder what this is, it is basically a Lego EV3 robotic arm. It has a claw, which I motorized with a motor, of course. It has the EV3 brick. It has a large motor. I'm planning on using this gyroscope sensor to like somehow control it, but I need to figure out how to program like that. Maybe I should use F3 dev, maybe EV3 dev. That's basically MicroPython for the EV3. It could work, but like, I'm not really that good at Python. I can understand the system, like the system of the code, but not the syntax. The syntax always gets me. So another thing I was also working on, if you've ever been to my website, you've probably heard of Citrix OS, the fake but cool des the fake but cool desktop OS. Well, thing is, it's not fake anymore. It's real. We got Citrix OS. It's basically Fedora 44 workstation with a lot with a bunch of tools. And I figured out how to do it without Cubic because Cubic won't work for Fedora. I used Cockpit Image Builder. If you don't know what that is, that's basically like a web. Cockpit is like a web thing, like a web like desktop like control thing to control like your computer, and you can build images with it. Yeah, wait. Um, I think I have it in boxes. Probably, yeah. Okay, this is going to lag a lot because, like, virtual machine. It'll lag like a billion times over. I'm gonna select out just to wait for it. Also, ignore OBS. Ignore OBS at all costs. Still loading. This is long load time. I think I should close Firefox. I don't know. So you can install it here. And by the way, um, domain of cdx1.com is expiring soon, so it's google.com/view/cdx1. I think this is the one. Is the one, yeah. So this is the backup I have. It's a little long to type, but like, you know, it's the only thing I can do because the domain is expiring soon and stuff, you know. What what is what is happening? That's cool. My Scratch project. That's my best Scratch project. Server one. That. Why am I not signed in? Next one. Don't worry, this is not a student account. This is my personal account. Why does it think I'm not signed in? I'm signed in. What? Um. If you can hear, I use cornfield chase for some reason. Also, gravitational force moves you to the center. Isn't that cool? Shoot. I don't know how I made that shooting sound. That's cool. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna make you listen to some music. No time. I think this is arguably the best Interstellar song ever. Because when you watch the orchestra one, it's just amazing. Ooh, my other website, what's in here? So race.cdx1.com. Speed Just no, I won't. How to install next? I have Node.js. Alright, I'll just follow that. I'll just follow that. Sure, I don't really care anymore. It ended? Oh, come on. Okay, next one. It's not really a song. There we go. Alright, enter.
Amelia, be safe. Give my regards to Dr. Mann.
I will, Dad.
It looks good for your trajectory. We've calculated 2 years to Saturn.
It's a lot of Dramamine. Look after my family, will you please, sir?
We'll be waiting for you when you get back. Little older, a little wiser, but happy to see you.
Do not go gentle into that good night. Old age should burn and rave at close of day. Rage, rage against the dying of the light. Though wise men at their end, no dark is right, because their words had fought no lightning they. Do not go gentle into that good night. Rage, rage against the dying of the light.
No, close. No, get out. Get out. Raspy stats template. How do you set this up? Alright, I'm just gonna ask Claude because this was a long time ago. It was a long time ago. I know this is basically very embarrassing, but you know, like, it was a long time ago. I don't remember when. Was it fetching from github.com? It shouldn't take that long to load. It's 12:08. Hmm. Oh, ugh. I don't like that. That doesn't look good. I don't like extended tabs. Stop, stop, stop. I want you to use low. Default. Please use low. Okay, yeah. Chat GPT it is. How do I use this with first? I hear that. Why do I hear that? Hello? Hello? That is weird. Why do I hear that? That is cool. Hello? Hello? Huh. Okay, Vercel time. Wait. Wait, this is gonna be weird if this actually works. No way. I just thought of something. It would actually be cool if it worked. No way, this is actually gonna work. No way. If this works, it's gonna be so weird. It's running build in Washington DC. Cool. It's doing stuff. It's doing its stuff, alright. What? Huh? Are you serious right now? Dang it, it won't work. It would have been cool if it did. It would have been cool if it did. Okay, wait. Hmm. I mean, it's meant to run on a Raspberry Pi, but I don't have my Raspberry Pi right now. Right. Cloudflare on setup on Vercel. I just want to see if that works. That would be so weird. Anyways, I don't really care. I mean, this video's been going for long enough already. It's already 30 minutes. I think I should stop recording. Yeah. Alright, see you in the next video. Whenever I can do that, I guess. Peace out. What? What? Okay, that didn't work.